BBE AlgaeTorch includes several accessories standard as well as some accessories which are optional. Every BBE AlgaeTorch comes with this hard plastic carrying case which can carry not only the instrument itself but any accessories and instructions you may need. Also included is a wrist strap for secure handling in the field, as well as a shallow water attachment seen here, which fits onto the end of the AlgaeTorch and protects the sensors against physical damage as well as reflectance from the lake or river bottom. Every AlgaeTorch comes with a cable for charging as well as connecting to the computer, and a magnetic on switch which can be used to simply turn on the AlgaeTorch with a touch. An optional accessory is the performance test unit seen here, which consists of this fluorescence standard and thermometer. In order to check the performance of your AlgaeTorch, you simply place this on the end and then use the thermometer to provide a temperature correction, and the instrument will tell you if it needs to be calibrated or not.